I'm sorry to have troubled you. A prized Ishin blade. Turned weapon that controls the human... Considering their fortune. But I have some good news as well. Ryuji from...
Really?
Yes. Badly wounded. And now that Yuya is back, it seems like...
I think I know what you want.
What's wrong, Kazuha? Is the blade with...
Yes. He said he wants to take control.
What? No way!
He tells me that he's thought of another way to fulfill his maker's wish. I have decided...
You... But...
Thank you. I will explain my reason. Okay. I am ready. Let us begin.
My power is almost spent. Without him, my eventual demise is inevitable. But if I abandon the future to give everything I have in this moment, my physical form can be forged anew.
Everything. You mean...
Yes, the cost is my entire consciousness. You were right. There's nothing that I can accomplish now. But there's still a chance for Ishin art. Once remade, I will be a valuable resource for your studies. Ishin lives on, and its finest hour is yet to come. Even if I am not the one to prove its worth to the Shogun, as long as it is an Ishin blade, crafted by Kaedehara hands, it will still fulfill his final wish. Thank you, son of the Kaedehara clan. Over the years, my real name has been forgotten by all. I'm ashamed to utter it, yet it remains strong in my mind. Kagutsurube Ishin. This name is now yours to keep.
Rest in peace.
So... That's what... His consciousness will disappear forever after...
Kagotsurube Ishin. It seems like deep down, only in the final moment,
Seems like he...
the same fervent ambition that gave him the motivation to... Speaking for myself, I'd rather see him recognize and atone for his mistake. I understand. Hearing his wish, your quest to face the gods and trace your sibling after everything I've seen,
Oh...
I will continue to support you from this point on.
Wait! Shouldn't we also...
Oh, you're right. And it's also time to give him a...